Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me / updated shoe organization video. I really wanted to go ahead and organize my shoes. They have been kind of in a horrible state since my apartment flooded a few months ago, and I was finally able to get out to Ikea and purchase a new Billy bookcase, which is what you see in the background. So I'm really excited just to get everything reorganized and how it is typically in my room.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing.
If you are new to my channel, my name is Dee and I'm a 30-something single woman. I work full-time in the education field in a leadership position. I make these videos as motivation not only for you but for myself. Even though I don't have any children, things can get crazy and out of hand very quickly. And I think truly everyone can benefit from a little cleaning motivation. So if you like this video and agree with me, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video by giving me a thumbs up if you like videos like this.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do.
So here is a real life picture of my makeup vanity. You guys, this is just kind of like where everything goes when I walk into my room, and honestly it gets a mess, but the thing is, it's very easy to clean up because I'm kind of organized in the sense where everything has a place, so it's very easy for me to put everything where it was supposed to go. And again, if you have not watched that video, I do have an entire video, actually 2 videos on my makeup vanity. One video of me building my makeup vanity, and then another one on the actual organization pieces in the inside. Those videos are always linked in the description box if you're interested in checking those out.
I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine.
Another area in my room that gets kind of crazy and messy is definitely in my nightstand. I always am drinking tea or drinking water at night, so it's always full of water bottles or coffee cups for tea. And then I also have my diffuser on my nightstand as well. So again, it just gets messy. I try not to leave everything on there, but hey, this is real life and this is what it looks like. Probably 9 times out of 10 until I clean it off, this is what my nightstand typically looks like.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you're close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels.
Now on to the shoe organization piece of this video. So I purchased this Ikea Billy bookcase a couple days ago, and I finally was able to go to Ikea because it opened up here in Texas. I think they opened up everywhere, but I didn't want to purchase this online. This is why I've been waiting so long, because as you know, with all the issues going on, Ikea had very slow delivery. So I just said, you know what, I'll be patient until I can just go into store. I was finally able to go get the bookcase. I came home and put it up, and then I realized that I could actually use some additional shelves. So I went back to Ikea, and then I picked up 2 more shelves, and the shelves were $15 a piece. The actual bookcase was $59.
Hope it's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that.
So as you can see here, I'm just making adjustments to the shelves. I was just trying to count the holes to make sure they were even. As you can see along in this video, it did not come out perfect. So some of the times I would have to go back and change it again. But overall, this was not difficult at all to put together. It was very easy. I didn't need any help. I was able to do it on my own. So again, I really like it, and it's the perfect solution right now for me with my shoe organization.
Everything feels a little bit lighter.
guys, right now my shoes have been stored in laundry baskets. So this was the only way that I can keep them contained, and I've just had to kind of go and pull shoes out as I needed them. But since we haven't been being out a lot because of quarantine, I haven't had that big of an issue. I've kind of just been wearing the same shoes over and over. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start to organize these on the bookshelf, and I'm color coordinating them. At the top you can see I'm putting my heels, and then at the bottom I'll put my athletic shoes, like tennis shoes at the bottom. Those are the ones that I typically wear the most, and of course right now we're not going out, and I'm not going out for work either because I work in education, so I really do not reach for my heels that often anyway. As you can see, I am a chunky heel girl. I don't have very many stiletto type heels anymore. I'm just kind of over that phase. And let me know in the description box, are you a heels girl? Do you like heels? Do you like chunky heels? What kind of shoes do you typically wear when you get dressed out to go out? So the way that I'm organizing my shoes is I take the right shoe, and that is the one that is facing out towards like what you can see. So the toe is facing out and it's the right shoe, and then the left shoe is the one that is facing towards the actual back of the bookcase, so you can see the back of the left shoe. And I kind of do this for a couple reasons. One, it saves space so I can actually fit more heels onto the shelf, and it also just allows me to see what type of shoe that I have, so I can automatically see what the front and the back of the shoe looks like when I'm looking at my shoes as they're displayed on the bookshelf. So I really like that, and again, it's very easy for me to put them up, and they're all like this. Even my sneakers at the bottom, the right shoe is facing out and the left shoe is facing to the back, so I always know kind of where my shoes are supposed to go when I'm making adjustments to it. So as you can see here, I am very much a sneakers girl. I love wearing sneakers. I have all kinds of sneakers. These are not actually all of my shoes. These are the ones that I wear most frequently. I do have another shoe storage bin that's in my closet, but these are just the ones that I wear the most. So these are the ones that I decided to put on my bookcase for display. And again, these are the ones that I wear the most, so these are the ones that are out front.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.
So we are finished with this video. Thank you if you watched the entire video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Dedeathome. I do home decor videos, cleaning motivation, organization, as you see in this one. I also do some other things on my channel as well. So thank you for tuning in. I'm so happy to have this shoe organization back into my room. I think it's very versatile. If I decide to change it and just use the bookcase for books and decor, I could do that as well in the future. But I'm just happy the way that my room is looking right now. I think it's very light and airy, and it's perfect for summer. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one here very soon.